Now, let's look at number 21.
都喊你啦，自爱是日呢日间的。
How many brothers do you have?
请问阿个丢些可的？
I have one brother.
那那个阿个丢？
What is his name?
跟恁人一样呢。
His name is Limusishiden.
跟恁人呢那么单独啊？
How old is he?
跟可的那是了家。
He is 20.
跟活人呐。
What is your brother's job?
请恁阿个丢呢工作那样呢？
My brother is a mechanic.
么恁阿个丢他们事情个？
Where is your brother's home?
请恁阿个丢呢可的那家？
His home is Tuguan.
跟恁可的呢图案对啊？
What is your brother's nationality?
请恁阿个丢呢十八天样呢？
Please look at number 22.
都喊你啦，自爱是呢日间的。
How many sisters do you have?
请问阿姐兄弟是可的？
I have 2 sisters.
那阿姐兄弟是我的。
What are their names?
天黑恁人那样呢？
One is Jane.
那个呢尖呢？
One is Rose.
那个呢 Rosie 哇？
How old are your sisters?
请恁阿姐兄弟和可他个那是了家？
One is 12.
那个呢还让我哇？
One is 25.
那个呢活人他们呐？
What are your sisters' jobs?
请恁阿姐兄弟和呢工作那样呢？
Jane is a student and Rose is a nurse.
尖受伤个，Rosie 护士个。
Where are your sisters' homes?
请恁阿姐兄弟和呢可的那家？
Jane's home is New York.
尖呢可的呢纽约哇？
Rose's home is Chicago.
Rosie 呢可的呢芝加哥哇？
What is your sister's nationality?
请恁阿姐兄弟和呢十八天样呢？
They are American.
天个美国呢？
My sisters are American.
么恁阿姐的兄弟和美国呢？
Jane and Rose are American.
尖的 Rosie 和美国呢？
Please look at number 23.
都喊你啦，是23个呢日间的。
Write in the missing words.
归了三不九呢就是的。
Is this your pen?
那请了送花完呢？
Yes, it is.
能把他们呢
It is mine.
他们能送我哇
It is my pen.
他们能送我哇
24.
自24个
Is this your book?
你听了不就完了
No, it isn't.
不加他不加
25.
自25个
Whose book is it?
你看了不就啊
It's his.
他干了哇
Whose book is it?
你看了不就啊
It's hers.
他看了不就呢
Whose book is it?
你看了不就啊
It's yours.
他亲了
26.
自26个
Is this his?
你干了呢
No, it isn't.
不加他不加
It's hers.
他干了哇
Is this hers?
你谈了哇呢
No, it isn't.
不加他不加
It's yours.
他亲了
Is this yours?
你亲了呢
No, it isn't.
不加他不加
It's his.
他干了哇
Is this mine?
你们的呢
No, it isn't.
不加他不加
It's hers.
他谈了哇
27.
自27个
What color's your coat?
亲了点了我到你呀呢
It's blue.
他依然呢
What color's your coat?
亲了点了我到你呀呢
It's black.
他还要哇
What color's your coat?
亲了点了我到你呀呢
It's white.
他穿哇
What color's your hat?
亲了马了我到你呀呢
It's blue.
他依然个
What color's your hat?
亲了马了我到你呀呢
It's green.
他弄红哇
What color's your shirt?
亲了点了我到你呀呢
It's white.
他穿呐
What color's your shirt?
亲了点了我到你呀呢
It's black.
他还要哇
28.
自28个
What color's his coat?
干了点了我到你呀呢
His coat is black.
干了点了我到呢还要哇
What color's his coat?
干了点了我到你呀呢
His coat is green.
干了点了那红个
What color's his hat.
干呢马拉干尼呢乌当尼亚呢
His hat is white.
干呢马拉干呢长个
What colors his hat?
干呢马拉干尼呢乌当尼亚呢
His hat is blue.
干呢马拉干呢伊兰个
What colors his shirt?
干呢迪里呢乌当尼亚呢
His shirt is white.
干呢迪里呢乌当呢长个
What colors his shirt?
干呢迪里呢乌当尼亚呢
His shirt is green.
干呢迪里呢乌当呢那红个
Now, let's look at number 29.
都喊那伊拉自29个人呢日间的
What color is that hat?
长个马拉个养不到啊
It's green.
天那红个
What color is that coat?
长个迪养不到啊
It's the same color.
你个三百不到啊
It's green.
天那红呢
It is green.
天那红个
It's green too.
天的那红个
Please look at number 30.
都喊那伊拉自30个人呢日间的
Number 30 is about two expressions.
自30个日53百文字呢
The first is the same as.
长棍的个呢你个花
The second is to.
回那个呢也
What are your brother's jobs?
其那阿个的呢工作呢呀呢
Bill is a teacher.
比如老师个
Jim is a teacher.
Jim 老师个
Jim has the same job.
Jim 呢工作呢你个花哇
He is a teacher too.
该也老师个
Bill and Jim are teachers.
比如的 Jim 活了老师吧
31.
自30个
Are you Monghulla?
这忙活了
Yes, we are.
不能比
We are Monghulla.
不大个忙活了
Sometimes you means just one person.
阿忙哈七个讲你个困难个呢
But sometimes you means several people.
阿忙哈有个阿汉个困难呢
In number 31, you means several people.
这30个是有个困乱妈妈看呢
32.
这31个
Are you French?
去法国呢
No, we are not.
不接不大个不接
We are not French.
不大个法国呢不接
We are Monghulla.
不大个蒙古里
Now, in number 32, was you one person or several people?
这33个人有啥？你个困难哦，还个困难。
Yes, that's right. Several people. Not one person, but several people.
爸，你个困不下，这个个侬乱呐，困不起乱呐。
How do we know? Because in the answer we have the word we. We is not one person, but two or more.
不得干嘛什么的个，因为回来呢 week 就叫 week 是不得个，不得个是乱那个是呢，不是那不下。
Now let's look at 33.
都不得个，这33个呢是讲的呀。
Are these your books?
你个去那不去玩喽？
Yes, they are.
能吧，听个能吧。
Are these your books?
你个去那不去玩喽？
No, they are not.
不下，听个不下，
No, they aren't.
不下，听个不下。
That's all for today. Goodbye, everyone.
你都不得个就这个故事的，喊那一了，谁打死个的呀？
What is your name?
My name is Li Zhenglu.
Where is your home?
My home is Dunshan.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
What is your name?
My name is Dechun.
Where is your home?
My home is Dunshan.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Do you study English?
Yes, I study English.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English-in-Mongghul.
喊那一了是你啥？印出来漫画书可能开始了啊。
Today, let's begin with number 34.
你都不得个是34了，开始了的。
Please listen and repeat.
他个唱了的，唱了把哈了，大没写的。
Are you Mongghul?
他个漫画有，
Yes, we are. We are Mongghul.
不得个能比，不得个漫画有。
Are your friends Mongghul too?
现在找你个也漫画了呢？
Yes, they are.
他个能吧？
They are Mongghul.
他个漫画了哇？
They are Mongghul too.
他个也漫画了哇？
35.
是35。
Nima's home is Wuzhen.
你妈呢？可能不真的哇？
He has 2 sisters and 1 brother.
感到阿姐新丢些活儿，啊，个丢些那个哇？
Nima is 24 and he is a postman.
你妈活人敌人呐？干新可给这个？
One sister is Lamula.
那个阿姐呢？来不来哇？
She is 18 and she is a student.
他还是你妈呢？他受伤个？
Her home is Wuzhen too.
他那可能也不真的哇？
One sister is Gasjin.
那个阿姐呢？干什呢？
She is 25 and she is a nurse.
天火人塔文呢，天火生个哇，
Her home is Tangra.
天呢可得呢塔拉哇，
Gashjin's home is not Wuzhen.
该选呢可得呢无真的不假，
Nima's father is a teacher, and his mother is a housewife.
你妈呢阿爸呢老生个哇，阿妈呢可得呢拉黑瓦生个，
His father is 51, and his mother is 49.
该呢阿爸呢太阴那个哇，阿妈呢特金那个哇，
Nima is very busy. He is not lazy.
你妈可得忙呢，天冷瓜，
His job is a postman.
该呢工作呢辛苦些呢，
His mother is very busy too.
该呢阿妈呢也可得忙呢。
Housewives are very busy.
可得呢拉黑瓦生可得忙呢。
Housewives are not lazy.
可得呢拉黑瓦生懒瓜，
They are very busy.
天个可得忙呢。
They are not lazy.
天个懒瓜，
Nima is tall and thin.
你妈呢背呢多啊，嘎嘎拉这瓜，
He is not short and fat.
跟花儿瓜，台湾瓜，
Nima's father is tall too.
你妈呢阿爸你呢背呢也多啊，
Lamula is short and thin.
拉姆拉呢背呢花儿哇，嘎拉这，
She is not tall and fat.
天呢背呢多瓜，台湾瓜，
Nima's mother is fat.
你妈呢阿妈呢台湾啊，
Nima's father is fat too.
你妈呢阿爸呢也台湾啊，
Lamula and Gashjin are very pretty.
拉姆拉的嘎新活啦，或者谁个呢？
They are very busy too.
天黑也或者忙呢。
Nima, Nima's father, and Gashjin are employees.
你妈呢阿爸呢的嘎新呢，过来是呢。
Lamula and Nima's mother are not employees.
拉姆拉的你妈呢阿妈你呢，过来是呢不假。
Lamula is a student, and Nima's mother is a housewife.
拉姆拉学生个，你妈呢阿妈呢，可得那拉个玩儿金个哇。
Nima's friends are Monghulla and Chinese.
你妈呢找你跟那蒙古打起点哇。
Nima is Monghulla.
你妈蒙古个，
Nima's friends are not French.
你妈呢找你跟那法国呢不假。
His friends are not French.
该呢找你跟那法国呢不假。
His friends are Monghulla and Chinese.
该呢找你跟那蒙古的起点哇。
He has Monghulla friends and Chinese friends.
干的蒙古大起的当你伊呢？
Lamula has Monghulla and Chinese friends too.
来么拉的也蒙古大起的当你伊呢？
Nima's brother is Limusishiden.
你妈呢？阿个就呢？那么单住啊？
He is 20 and his home is Wuzhen too.
干活人呐，干那苦的呢也不真多啊。
He is not a student. He is a barber.
干修上个不假，干让我吃啥劲个？
He has Monghulla and Chinese friends too.
干的也蒙古起的当你伊呢？
Limusishiden has a new hat.
那么单住的是那马鞍个伊呢？
It is green and it is very smart.
天的黄个，日结棍的或者谁汉呢？
Limusishiden is very busy.
那么单住或者忙呢？
He is not lazy.
干懒瓜，
He is tall and thin.
干那白那肚啊，哈拉家。
He is not short.
干那白那花瓜，
Limusishiden is not fat. He is thin.
那么单住台湾瓜，干哈拉家。
Limusishiden is Monghulla.
那么单住蒙古个，
He is not Spanish.
干西班牙那不假，
Limusishiden's nationality is Monghulla.
那么单住呢，西边头呢，蒙古了吧？
His nationality is not Spanish.
干那西边头呢，西班牙不假，
Limusishiden is Nima's brother.
那么单住你妈呢，阿个的呢？
Now, please look at number 36.
都他个这36个呢，日结的。
In number 36, two men are talking.
你这36个，我可能呢躺下来呢，
Please listen and repeat.
喊那一了，抢来的，打完个没晓得。
Come and meet our students, Mr. Richards.
ra不但可能学啥可能就来ra加起生阿个
Thank you, Mr. Jackson.
哈个那个吧加生阿个
This is Miss Lamula, and this is Miss Gastin.
你来没来阿姑啊？你高兴阿姑啊？
How do you do?
去谁你啥？
Those girls are very pretty. What are their jobs?
天学个或者是汉呢？天很工作能样呢？
Miss Lamula is a student.
来没来阿姑修上个？
Miss Gashjin is a teacher.
Kashaku Losinga.
This is Mr. Limu Danju, and this is Mr. Nima.
Nya Lamutandra Agawa. Nenima Agawa.
How do you do?
Chisenisa.
They are very busy.
Take Hutamona.
What are their jobs?
Tekno Kunduno Yana.
They're students.
Take Shusana.
They're very busy.
Take Hutamona.
They're not lazy.
Take Langua.
Who is this young man?
Nangala Langkun Kana.
This is Mr. Lee.
Nya Lajagawa.
He is a teacher.
Kan Losinga.
Now, please look at number 37.
Do Hanaila Sarshigon Jaldo.
Please listen and repeat.
Taku Chanaldo Di Trawa Mishildo.
This is Limu Danju.
Nya Lamutandra.
He is my friend.
Kan Manu Toniwa.
And this is Nima.
Nyang Nimawa.
Nima is my brother.
Nima Muna Agadiwa.
How do you do?
Chisenisa.
How do you do?
Chisenisa.
38.
Sashpa.
How are you today?
Chinidur Amahinga.
Very well, thank you.
Hutusina. Kalugwa.
And you?
Chile.
I'm very well, too.
Buya Hutusina.
39.
Zisashju.
Nima is a teacher.
Nima Losingwa.
Lamula is a teacher, too.
Lamla Yellowsingwa.
Lamula and Nima are married.
Lamlata Nima Wurla Jihulaja.
They have 2 children.
Tekte Ublina.
Nima is 28 and Lamula is 28 too.
Nima Hurinimana. Lamla Yahurinimana.
Nima is Monggur and Lamula is Monggur too.
Nima Mongghulla. Lamla ya Mongghulla.
Nima's home is Shigali.
Nima no kutunu Skaildwa.
Lamula's home is Shigal too.
Lamla no kutunu Yeskaildwa.
They have 2 children.
Tekte Urblina.
This is Lamu Danju.
Nya Lamatandwa.
Limu Danju is Nima's son.
Lamatandwa Nimanu Kuna.
Limu Danju is Lamula's son too.
Lamatandwa Yal Lamlanu Kuna.
Limu Danju is 3.
Lamatandwa Qurana silja.
Limudanju has no job.
Limutandu de kunzu kwa.
Limudanju is a child.
Limutandu blinga.
This is Gashjin.
Nya gashina.
Gashjin is Nima's daughter.
Gashun nimanu shuna.
Gashjin is Lamullah's daughter too.
Gashun ye lamulana shuna.
Gashjin is 5.
Gashun tavana.
Gashjin has no job.
Gashun de kunzu kwa.
Gashjin is a child.
Gashun blinga.
This is Nima's father.
Nya nimanu apana.
He is 55.
Kan tain tavana.
He is a farmer.
Kan lakachinga.
His home is Shigal.
Kan kutunu shkaildwa.
This is Nima's mother.
Nya nimanu amana.
She is 55 too.
Teya tain tavana.
Her home is Shigal too.
Tena kutunu yashkaildwa.
Nima's mother is a farmer.
Nimana amanu lakachinga.
Lamullah is very tired.
Lamala khuti daja.
She has 2 children.
Tenda ghubleina.
She works very hard.
Tewer kunu khutsena.
Nima is very tired too.
Nima ya khuti daja.
He is a teacher and he has 2 children.
Kan losinga kan de ghubleina.
Lamullah and Nima are tired because they are very busy.
Lamala da nima gula Monghulla Yinyii.
Gashjin and Limudanju are children.
Gashin da lamutandu gula bleva.
They are short.
Tekna pain malawa.
They are not tall.
Tek durgwa.
Nima and Lamullah are tall.
Nima da lamulana pain durwa.
They are not short.
Tekna pain malagwa.
They are thin too.
Tekya kalaja.
They are not fat.
Tek tarwangwa.
Nima has 75 students.
Nima da talan tavan shusangina.
Lamullah has 66 students.
Lamala da jiran jirgon shusangina.
They are teachers.
Tek loswa.
Nima and Lamullah are teachers.
Nima da lamala loswa.
Nima has a new hat.
Nima da shinum malga yina.
It is black.
Te haranga.
It is very smart.
Tenor jekundu khut segana.
Lamula has a new skirt.
Lamala shin khanda zingina.
It is brown.
Te brunga.
It is very smart, too.
Te ye jekundu khut segana.
Nima has 2 brothers.
Nima de gor agadiyina.
1 is 20 and 1 is 30.
Nikanu khorena, nikanu khuchina.
Nima's brothers are teachers.
Nimanu agadiykhnu loswa.
Lamula has 1 brother.
Lamala nika agadiwa.
He is 15 and he is a student.
Kan haran thawana kan shusanga.
Nima has no sisters.
Nima de aji shundukje kwa.
Lamula has no sisters.
Lamala de aji shundukje kwa.
That's all for today. Goodbye, everyone.
Ju trikriya hanaila malanskaldea.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English in Mongghul.
Hanaila snisa yinshula mangwasrugno kaisalwa.
Please look at number 40.
Tak zi sashigno rijeldo.
In our last lesson, we had a long text about Nima and his family.
Mishiang kura pataka skhutaching sura nimano kutanino.
Please listen to the questions.
To hanaila turagunya sambavan skina chanaldo.
And try to answer the question before I give the answer.
Punyatanano ugunsamshu hanaila jina amesa yirdi.
What is Nima's nationality?
Nimanu sabartanu yana.
Nima is Mongghul.
Nima Monghulla.
How old is Nima?
Nima ktnaslaja.
Nima is 28.
Nima khoren nimana.
How old is Lamula?
Lamla ktnaslaja.
Lamula is 28 too.
Lamla ya khoren nimana.
How old is Nima's father?
Nimana apanu ktnaslaja.
He is 55.
Kan Tain Tavana.
How old is Nima's mother?
Nimana Aman Ktanaslaja.
Nima's mother is 55.
Nimana Aman Ya Tain Tavana.
How old is Limudanju?
Lamatandru Ktanaslaja.
He is 3.
Kan Warana.
How old is Gashjin?
Gashin Ktanaslaja.
She is 5.
Tia Tavana.
What is Nima's job?
Nimana Kunzunayana.
He is a teacher.
Kan Losingwa.
What is Lamulla's job?
Lamalana Kunzunayana.
She is a teacher.
Tia Losingwa.
What is Nima's father's job?
Nimana Apanin Kunzunayana.
He is a farmer.
Kan Lakavarjinga.
What is Nima's mother's job?
Nimana Amanin Kunzunayana.
She is a farmer.
Tia Lakachinga.
Where is Nima's home?
Nimana Kutana Anja.
His home is Shigal.
Kana Kutana Skailwa.
Where is Lamulla's home?
Lamalana Kutana Anja.
Her home is Shigal too.
Tana Kutana Yashkailwa.
Where is the children's home?
Blakana Kutana Anja.
Their home is Shigal.
Takana Kutana Skailwa.
Where is Nima's father's home?
Nimana Apanin Kutana Anja.
His home is Shigal too.
Tana Kutana Yashkailwa.
Where is Nima's mother's home?
Nimana Amanin Kutana Anja.
Her home is Shigal.
Tana Kutana Skailwa.
Are Nima and Lamulla tired?
Nimada Lamala Urla Itajano.
Yes, they are.
Teki Daja.
How many children do Nima and Lamulla have?
Nimada Lamala Urla Kthing Blina.
They have 2 children.
Tekta Ublina.
How many students do Nima and Lamulla have?
Nimada Lamala the Ktangishusaina.
They have 144 students.
Tekta Nikajong Tjin Diraina.
How many brothers does Nima have?
Nimada Ktagadina.
Nima has 2 brothers.
Nimada Ur Agadina.
What are their jobs?
Tekna Kunzuniana.
They are teachers.
Tek Losva.
How many brothers does Lamulla have?
Lamalata Ktagadina.
She has 1 brother.
Ganu 텐더 니까 아가지이나
What is his job?
걔는 군주는 야나
He is a student.
걔 휴상가
How many sisters does Nima have?
니마드 아지 쉰디그 그티나
Nima has no sisters.
니마드 아지 쉰디그 식과
How many sisters does Lamula have?
라물라드 아지 쉰디그 그티나
Lamula has no sisters.
라물라드 아지 쉰디그 식과
Now let's look at number 41.
또 부탁 즈40거는 리젤리아
They have some animals.
택드 카스타 아스크지 아항이나
They have 2 yaks, 5 sheep, 2 goats, 1 horse, 1 cow, 1 mule, and 1 donkey.
택드 무슨 니까 고리나 타운 코너 고리마 니까 모르 니까 분이 니까 링사다 니까 지가
They have no camels.
택드 탐양과
Nima is 55 and Lamula is 55 too.
니마 테인 타브나 라말라야 테인 타브나
Lamula and Nima's home is Nerengwa.
니마다 라말라는 쿠트는 나른 wal드바
They have 2 children.
택드 고 플레이나
Their son is Limudanju.
택는 크는 르마단드와
He is 18 and he is a student.
간 하라 니마나 휴상가
Limudanju is a young man. He is not an old man.
르마단드 라라 쿤가 간 스투구 쿤가 피자
Their daughter is Gashtin.
택는 스준너스 가슈나
She is 25 and she is a doctor.
택 화른 타브나 테스만방가
Gashtin is married too and has 2 children too.
가슈야 지혼나자 간데야 고 플레이나
1 child is 4 and 1 child is 3.
니까 플레이는 고라나 티니까 플레이는 티라나
Her children have no jobs.
테는 플레이는 군주과
They are children.
택 플레이와
Gashtin is very busy.
가슈 후트마나
She is not lazy.
테랑과
Gashtin is a pretty young woman. She is not an old woman.
가슈 후트 세간티 니네 쿤가 테스투르사 니네 쿤가 피자
Lamulla's brother is very old.
Lamla na aga dinu khutstulaja.
He is not young.
Kan la langwa.
He is 75.
Kan talan thavana.
He is a farmer.
Kan la khachinga.
His home is Qinghai, Gansu Province.
Kan kutnu kan susan tendru shana.
He has 2 cows, 1 donkey, and 2 mules.
Kan da gurvne nikachikata gurlisaina.
He does not have many animals.
Kan da khasta asakchi ishikwa.
He has 5 children.
Kan da thavan blina.
One is 59.
Nikan thayin stna.
One is 57.
Nikan thayin tulona.
One is 55.
Nikan thayin thavana.
One is 51.
Nikan thayin gawa.
And one is 47.
Tinikan tchin tulona.
His children are farmers too.
Kan blekne yalla khachwa.
Their home is Qinghai too.
Takhne kutnu ye tendwa.
They are farmers too.
Takhiya la khachwa.
Now please look at number 42.
To hanila z sashegno rijaldo.
You please read these questions by yourself and try to write the answers.
Takh jina turgune wanskno mishildo. Tingang di jinak jurdi.
In our next lesson, we will read the questions and answer them.
Shaz kur butakhinan mishilda di tananino takhto goldia.
That's all for today. Goodbye, everyone.
Nitr jidri kushildia. Hanaila sitaskaldia.
What is your name?
My name is Yang Hongyue.
How old are you?
I'm 16.
Where is your home?
I live in Donggo.
How many brothers do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
What are their names?
One is Zhen Miao, one is Dan Jian.
What is your name?
My name is Li Lian.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Where is your home?
My home is Wushi.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Do you study English?
Yes, I studied English.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English-in-Mongghul.
Hanaila sinisa. Yinzula mangwas rugno keslva.
In our last lesson, we learned a text about a Mongol family.
Meshiangu kur butakh mangwan kutna rijin surwa.
I ask you to write the answers to some questions.
Butakh de nyavinsno khitanin jurukche klewa.
Now let's look at number 42.
To butakh zsashegona keslya.
Please repeat my questions and answer the questions.
青年问词呢，回答你呢就是的，当回答了。
Where is Nima's home?
你妈呢哭的呢安家，
Nima's home is Huzhu.
你妈呢哭的呢好着吧？
Where is Lamulla's home?
拉姆拉呢哭的呢安家，
Lamulla's home is Huzhu 2.
拉姆拉呢哭的呢也好着吧？
How old is Nima?
你妈哭的呢是了家，
Nima is 55.
你妈听他们呢，
How old is Lamulla?
拉姆拉哭的呢是了家，
She is 55.
听他们呢。
Do Nima and Lamulla have any animals?
你妈的拉姆拉的卡斯达斯克阿汉伊呢呢？
Yes, they do.
伊呢？
How many animals do Nima and Lamulla have?